What is tutorial or TUT coin? TUT token review. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about TUT coin or tutorial coin. So it started as a developer's tutorial token in 2025 to teach how to launch tokens on BNB Chain, then transitioned to a mainnet token used for education and community building. And its AI-powered tutorial agent guides users through blockchain basics, wallet setup, DEX use, smart contracts, etc. And built on BNB Smart Chain BIP20 with a 1 billion max supply, 838 million circulating, and 52 to 62 million dollar market cap. And the key strengths are educational focus and combines meme tone with real learning, rewarding users and granting governance access, and multi-exchange listings like traded on PancakeSwap, KuChain, Gauge.io, Binance, good liquidity and visibility. And deflationary mechanics like burn features on transactions and staking unstake fees, potential supply reduction. And active roadmap plans for a tutorial terminal Q2 2025, AI integration Q3, and global Web3 platform presence Q4. And risks to note is meme coin or meme token nature, team anonymity, volatility, and execution risk. So good if you enjoy low risk fun with crypto education, active community vibes, some upsides from roadmap milestones. Be cautious if you need strong fundamentals or real utility, transparency and proven team, stable long term investments. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.